All right, this review is going to be on this aluminum ramp, and I'm going to run a four-wheeler up on this so we can just see how good this thing really is. All right, this ramp does come with two different straps. Like now, these are like safety straps you're going to hook. You can hook one or both of them up to the ramp, and then you can hook it to your truck so it doesn't slide off your truck. So it does come with two of them and a really fancy set of gloves in case you want to get doing some work. Some nice little white gloves. This ramp that I'm going to show you is 74 inches long or 6 foot 2 inches and 54 inches wide. It does fold up into, so it's like three different sections. Let me show you. Both sides got these little hooks here so it stays hooked real nice. Just unhook that one, and then there's one on the other side. Unhook that one. I already had that one unhooked. But then we can just unfold it. Unfold it like this. Oh, right here, like this. I'm going to pull that down. Pull. And it does come with two of these straps, and the one has this little loop in it. So we're going to put that, and then you just put it around your ramp and stick this end through there like that. That's what I'm going to do. Like this. And right on this piece here, it does say feed web that way. Don't feed it the other way, it won't lock. So I'm going to feed this through here this way, like that. All right, real quick, I'm just want to show you, I guess, some of the welds on here. I guess I'm not an expert on welding, but I thought they looked pretty good. That's what some of the welds look like. And it goes down each one. All right, this is how I hooked it on. You seen me kind of strap it around these the ramp right there. And then I just hooked it on right up here like that. Now you don't need them little red things on there. You can just hook it to where you'd hook your chains like for your trailer. But that seemed to work really, really good. There's no way that would fall off of there. I can grab a hold of it. Don't fall off. Really nice. All right, let me start this four-wheeler up and we'll run it up the ramp to see how this thing works. Woo! I like it. I think it works pretty good. Now I'll just take it off the truck. Oh, there's. I don't think that thing hardly even moved, didn't even hardly bow. Definitely a really nice ramp, really like it. I will have a link to this down in my description if you guys want to check one of these out. So thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and hit that subscribe button to help support this channel. God bless and have a great day.